In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively send offers to watchers using the Seller Hub. If you're looking to increase your sales and engage more dynamically with potential buyers who have shown interest in your listings, this is a powerful tool at your disposal. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you can make the most out of this feature. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the Seller Hub. This is your central destination for managing your online sales, and it provides a variety of useful tools to help you monitor and enhance your performance. Once there, you want to head over to the Marketing tab. This section is designed to boost your visibility and improve sales, featuring everything you need to stand out in a competitive market. Within the Marketing section, you'll find the option labeled Send Offers to Watchers. This is where all the magic happens. By selecting this option, you're tapping into an effective strategy for converting interested customers into actual buyers. Fans of your products, so to speak, are already there, silently observing, and a little nudge in the form of a personalized offer can often be all that's needed to close the deal. Next, you'll see a list of your listings that have watchers. Your task is to select the specific listing you want to focus on. This list is showcasing the potential buyers who have demonstrated genuine curiosity in what you're offering, hence the importance of choosing wisely and strategically. Select the listing that you believe will benefit most from a targeted offer. Once you have selected your listing, the next thing to do is to set your offer price. Here's where you have a chance to balance between enticing your watchers and maintaining your profit margins. It's important to offer a price that feels exclusive and compelling to the watcher. This doesn't mean slashing prices recklessly, but rather making the deal appealing enough to prompt a purchase decision. Consider any previous sales data or trends that might help inform a smart pricing strategy. This is also the point where you'll set an expiration for your offer. A short expiration can urge the buyer to act quickly, instilling a sense of urgency that might be the final push they need. Finally, when you've adjusted the price and set the expiration for your offer, you send your proposal to the watchers. This step is all about connecting with those who have expressed interest, reaching out to them personally to encourage that elusive conversion from interest to sale. Keep in mind that this approach carries a personal touch that buyers appreciate, making them feel valued and thereby increasing the likelihood of purchase. By following these steps, you are extending an exclusive opportunity to your potential buyers, inviting them to become satisfied customers. It's a straightforward yet highly effective tactic to boost your sales and engage directly with interested watchers. Happy selling!